How did so much love just evaporate? Well, till this day, I don't think it has. For context, please go and watch the previous 4 parts of the story. You guys know, जैसे ही मुझे पता चला कि उसको US जाना है, my anxiety got worse and I got diagnosed with anxiety disorder. I was having depression-like symptoms. मैं बेड से उठ नहीं पा रही थी. मैं अगर सुबह उठती थी तो there used to be this lump in my throat and I used to cry so much. मेरे से काम भी नहीं हो पाता था. So I had to do something about it. I went to a psychiatrist who put me on an anti-anxiety medication and he recommended therapy and that's how I started therapy. Along with that, I wanted a boost of happy hormones. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा strict diet and workout करने लग गई थी. It took me a whole month to get my life back to normal. इस सब के बीच में his parents had come to Gurgaon from Mumbai and he arranged a meeting for us. The first interaction was awkward, I would say, but the second time I met his parents, it was quite good. It was actually on Holi. मैं उसके घर गई थी and मैंने ना एक गलती कर दी. आंटी जी ने बहुत सारा खाना बनाया था होली के लिए and मैं थी एकदम ही strict diet पे, तो मैंने उस दिन उसके घर पे कुछ भी नहीं खाया. Sadly, that incident was not forgotten by his parents. They were right in their place कि इसको कुछ तो खा लेना चाहिए था, but मुझे genuinely ऐसा लग रहा था कि अगर मैंने वो एक गुलाब जामुन भी खा लिया ना तो मैं डिप्रेशन में चली जाऊंगी. होली के ही दिन वो भी मेरे घर आया था and I introduced him to my parents. My parents loved him and genuinely they were very very supportive for our relationship. सब अच्छा चल रहा था and it felt like we were moving forward कि यार हम एक दूसरे के पेरेंट्स से भी मिले हुए हैं अब. तो वो ना एक काइंड ऑफ माइलस्टोन हमने अचीव कर लिया था. फिर अप्रैल की बात है, मुझे ना ईयर प्लग्स चाहिए थे एंड मुझे एक स्मार्ट वॉच चाहिए थी. तो मैंने उससे ऐसे ही पूछा था कि बेबी तुम मुझे बताओ कि व्हाट आई शुड बाय बिकॉज ही वाज वेरी गुड एट टेक. 3 दिन बाद मेरे को मैसेज आता है योर फ्लिपकार्ट ऑर्डर फॉर एयरपॉड्स एंड एप्पल वॉच इज ऑन द वे एंड आई वाज लाइक नो did not just do that. But then he said, "Bebo, मैं ना 5 बजे तक सुबह वीडियोस देखा हूँ कि which is the best one to buy. So please don't reject the gift." So I accepted and I still use them. मैंने भी ठान ली थी कि मुझे भी इसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल करना है. तो जब उसका बर्थडे आया, I went all out. उसको ना इतर बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं स्पेशली Ambience Mall गई थी, which is 40 minutes away from my place by the way, to get an इतर from a Dubai-based brand. हम Valorant खेलते थे साथ में, so I also got him Valorant का gift card and I basically hosted a lunch at my place for him. I also got a cake customized for him and I think the most emotional thing that I gave to him was I made a video for him. I have cried so much while making that video because I just couldn't stop thinking about कि यार ये अब US जाने वाला है. I'm gonna miss him so much. To make up for all the lost time we were going to have in future, हमने प्लान की एक जयपुर ट्रिप. For 4 days we went to Jaipur and we stayed in like a 5-star hotel and it was truly the best time of my life until we returned home. Go to part 6.